Imagine having a comprehensive view of every device in your industrial network. With Cisco CyberVision, you can proactively identify and mitigate threats before they escalate. I'm Istok Umek, a consulting engineer with 25 years of experience specializing in information security. My role involves bridging the gap between IT and OT teams, while also imparting practical cybersecurity knowledge to students on a daily basis. This CVDO course covers 4 phases: asset inventory check, custom view building, vulnerability identification, and threat monitoring. These skills will enable you to face increasing industrial network attacks, allowing teams to collaborate effectively and safeguard operations, ensuring uninterrupted production. Ready to take lead with CyberVision? Sign up now and let us secure your industrial network one sensor at a time.